Bye-bye house. The house was like this now when we came in, and it was just you. No Celine yet. Oh, but actually, this is where we made Celine.
Yes.
Look at this, Daddy. Look at the other side of that one.
Okay, come on.
Wow. Super beautiful.
Wow.
There's more super.
Oh wow, Paris is going to sleep in her bed tonight.
Me.
Yeah, which one would you like?
I want this one. It's super cool.
It's super cool?
Yeah,
You want the orange one or yellow one?
I want orange or pink one.
Good morning. Good morning. Tingnan niyo anong oras na. Oh. This is our last day here. Tingnan niyo ang ating mga bagets. But now it's not. Today is our last day. We will leave the house today. Good morning, princesses.
Which house?
This house.
No, my baby.
We are going to the city today and stay in the hotel. Hi! Good morning. How was your sleep?
I wake up her.
Did you wake her up?
Yeah.
Did you say, Celine, wakey wakey?
Wakey.
Wakey wakey. Perfect timing kasi we just finished outside, guys. Nalabas na namin yung lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. And this one, careful di ate. So this bed, dala na kahapon yung coat, diba? So this bed, we are going to, yeah, that's all yours, honey. We're going to disassemble it. Tapos ilagay namin sa labas para pick up ng rubbish. People, yes, Nana. Did you sleep well, Nana? Did you sleep happy, girl? Happy girl. Careful your hair, Bobby.
Girl.
Ayush!
Oh.
Ayan, alam niyo ba guys, ito siya. Itatapon namin ito lahat. All the beddings. Wala nang, wala na kasi kami lagyan nito. Wala nang, yung bagahe namin punong-puno na. So,
Silly me.
silly you!
Yeah, I didn't wake up when you picked the food. I didn't wake up.
Do you wake up?
And
What? What was that again, honey girl? So now, I'm going to change them. Yeah, we will have a shower later sa hotel. Ngayon, i-change ko lang yung kanilang madamit kasi the cleaner will come soon. Si mami nyo ay naghilamos lang ng gagawin yung mukha. Yes. Hala, grabe ka. Sinaw ang mukha. Oh. Yan. Basta serum, guys. We're gonna change clothes now? We get ready so we can go? We'll have breakfast. Daddy said, we'll go out for breakfast. Hello, princess. Did you have a good sleep, sweetie? Did you cuddle Mama this morning? Cuddle Mama this morning?
one, Mama.
Lucky girl.
A few moments later.
Ayan, nabihisa na yung dalawa. Ayan. And Ate Paris is here. Oh, yes! Beautiful girl. She's so beautiful na this. Ang kanyang buhok, guys. Oh, kasi na.
Go outside and look at the house.
I braided it yesterday. Oh, kulot-kulot. Careful, ate.
Go in the upper rooms.
We are going now, baby girl. We are going now, sweetie girl. Yeah. Have you been a good girl to Mama? Baby, look at yourself, baby. Hey, have you been a good girl to Mama? Yes, you have. Yes, you have. We're going na. We're going na. Ito sila. Saan ko na naman ito ilalagay? Close na ang bags. Close na ang bags ni Mama, nak. This bed has served us for maybe 3 years. No? It's going now. Bye bye bed. Bye bye bed. Celine is going to Brisbane bed. So now the house is empty. Tingnan nyo, kapag empty yung house ba, nag-e-echo talaga, no? Kasi walang ay! Hindi nagbabounce yung boses mo sa mga furniture. Di ba na? What can you say? What can you say? You are leaving this house today. Anything in your mind? Anything in your mind? Ang ating daddy Michael. So the mattress. Daddy Michael talaga, guys. Last night. Careful di ate. Last night, pinatulog ako ni Daddy Mike. So siya lang yung dito sa labas. Anthony will be here shortly.
Really?
Yeah. Pick up the boxing, punching bag, whatever it is. So ito siya. Madali lang namin yung tanggalin, guys. O yung mga ribs. You okay?
I just want to get the body.
Yeah, wait for Daddy now until Daddy disassemble it, okay? You have to be patient, my love.
Back up.
Yeah.
Let's lay down just for a tick.
Yeah. Put you down here, okay? I'm just gonna help you. You going to show me around your empty house?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm going to show it to you.
Alright, tell me. Come on. Thank you. So this was like this when we moved in, obviously, or not this 30. Soon, maybe in 10 to 20 minutes, the cleaner will come. So magiging malinis na rin to siya. So goodbye house. Thank you for the less than 2 years. We're only here for less than 2 years, I think. Whoa! It is empty now, honey. What can you say? What can you say? This one's empty. The other room. You have it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, we have to wait.
A few moments later.
Mommy, you love how like in your phone in here?
Yeah.
Yes? It's green when I
Do you
got
love your coffee?
Yeah, but when you got love heart and you got one in your
I do.
phone and one in
What's
your
this one, Daddy?
Nice. Love black. That's my budget.
See the ice cream. And there's a mahal. For Daddy. She's not.
Can you open for Mama?
Yeah.
Push. Just push. Thank you.
I can see the
Hi.
and 6.
Is it dry too now? Is it dry?
No.
No? Open.
I just
Open for Mama, please.
I just went to the lunch. I went to the lunchroom.
Did ya? So,
And
nalinis na nila, guys.
Mommy,
Is it what it looks like now? Baba?
Mommy, she was here.
Yes. It's okay now. Just leave it there. Ah. Okay, the floor. I don't think they've done the walls.
I did the balls, so I was watching them.
Really?
You gotta remember, Bob, there's natural, there's gonna be natural wear and tear, you know what I mean? Houses need to be repainted and stuff.
Okay. Here you go. There you go. Bye-bye house. The house was like this now when we came in, and it was just you. No Celine yet. Oh, but actually, this is where we Made, Celine.
Yes.
It's very made to you, honey girl.
A few moments later.
We're here. Where are we now?
City?
City? Yes. Dito na kami sa city. We just parked sa underground parking ng hotel. So, dito kami. Hotel lobby. So, ito lang yung dito sa loob. We'll take the bags now, Bob?
Yeah.
Ready? Yeah. The little one is sleeping still. Ate Paris.
You want to tell me?
No, not that one. We have the white one. Shush, tulog na. Shush, gising naman di. Ay, Josh! Hello, baby king! We're here, my love. Good girl, Ate Paris. Good job. Hey, baby. Hello, baby ni Mama. Where are we? Akala ni Paris, nandito na kami sa Brisbane, guys. We're still in Melbourne.
Okay, I got my suitcase in this one.
Yeah, you got your suitcase full of nappies. Yeah.
What kind do you want?
You're silly.
Brown?
No, you see.
I'm guessing it's brown.
No idea. There's no idea. No idea, honey. Oh, you a good girl.
Ground floor.
Ground floor.
Yeah.
Yeah? What did you say, Paris? What did you say? Super beautiful. Sabi ni Paris. Wow, super beautiful. Super beautiful, honey. Do you like it? I hope our room's nice. So we'll stay here for tonight and tomorrow night. Because the next day we will be flying up to Brisbane. And then goodbye, Melbourne. Did you poopoo, nak? I think I can smell you. Did you poopoo, ate? Sure? What's that I can smell? Careful, ha? Don't touch anything, my love. Paris is asking if we're already in Brisbane. Until now. Here it is.
There we
There
go.
it is. Oh, it's Josh, my love. We're here now. We can relax now, okay? There you go. Good job.
It looks like Brisbane here. Doors.
It looks like Brisbane.
It looks like Brisbane, Mommy.
Give it back to you.
It looks like Brisbane.
Of course, yeah, because it's a hotel. That's why. But we're still in Melbourne now.
Yeah, but this looks like Brisbane.
Let us go. Let us go.
New city.
Look at this dirty little house. Tails that way.
Okay, come on.
Wow. Super beautiful.
Wow.
There's more soup.
Oh, wow. Paris is going to sleep in her bed tonight.
Me.
Yeah. Which one would you like?
I want this one. It's super cool.
It's super cool.
Yeah,
You want the orange one or yellow one?
I want orange or pink one.
Oh, okay. This one? Okay.
And see what have this one. Mommy, see what have this one.
Ayan. So, dito na yung mga bags natin, guys. Actually, guys, itong mga bag na to, yung mga luggages natin, I just bought from the Facebook Marketplace kasi pagdating doon, itatapon din to sila.
Here.
So, bought these 3 luggages for $100. Tapos, pagdating doon, dispatchan na
There's a
ninyo.
telephone.
A telephone.
There is a telephone.
To talk to Santa.
Santa, what are you gonna say to him?
Hi, love. We're here. Do you want to jump in bed? Do you want to jump in bed?
Mommy.
Who's in bed? Hello, baby
I'm
girl.
gonna jump in.
You can jump.
Mommy.
Go.
You can jump.
You want to lift you up?
No.
It's very... Oh, I relax. The bed's very nice. Thank you, Dida.
My team did.
Did you say thank you to Dida?
My
I know she put. I'll change her
my
napkins.
smell good. Mommy smell bad.
Daddy.
Team did it. Daddy did right?
Is that your bed?
No. No. It's not my bed.
Like
It's
this?
just Daddy did.
Bob,
But
it's
it's coming here
it's
first,
cold,
Daddy.
Bob. 20.
What do you want?
Bye.
24?
Mommy, Daddy did it.
Daddy did it?
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, yeah, I know. It smells. Daddy. The hell?
Daddy did it.
Hello, my big elegant saloon. We got Celine Ray.
Daddy, I'll
Jump, go.
Celine Ray, palangga sa mami.
No, I don't want to stand up. I want to watch you jump. Stand up, jump here.
Change. Where did you poop, Nak?
Daddy,
Yes, you did. Yes, you did.
we're staying in the pool.
Ganda ng kanilang arts, guys. Oh. Yan ba?
Okay, bounce, bouncy, bouncy, bounce. Paris is bouncy. Bounce. Do you like your bed?
That
A few moments later.
8:25 ng gabi. And the whole fam is out. Kakain kami sa labas. Diyan sana kami, guys. Oh, may chef legenda. Malaysian ba? Gusto ko yung pagkain nila dyan. Pero close para sila. So maghahanap kami dito. Hindi to siya malayo sa ano natin, sa hotel natin. Actually, malapit dito si Daddy Mike nakatira before. Nung ano pa lang, first time kaming magkakilala. So dito kami nagde-date today. Daddy Mike used to take me here for dinners, you know. Ganyan, balik kami dito. Dalawa na sila. Very old buildings. So yeah, we're just enjoying our last 2 days here in Melbourne.